Bulavinak, and a very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Gives me much pleasure to be here tonight, and I'm sure you don't want to listen to a long speech. We want to find out who the winners are and who are the kings and the queens, and so let's reach that. So, ladies and gentlemen, before I sit down, I feel I have to say one or two words. And ladies and gentlemen, I wish to congratulate all of you for being here tonight. And the only reason why you're here tonight is over 94% of the adult population in Fiji have got themselves vaccinated. As you know, that the last time you had this carnival was in 2019. 2020, 2021, you could not have the carnival because of COVID-19. And the only reason why we gathered here today is because over 94% of the population have got themselves vaccinated, and we're able to open up our economy. Our borders are open, our tourists are coming, we are able to socialize, we're going around not wearing any masks, and it's all because of your efforts, and of course, working in collaboration with government to ensure that we open up our economy and of course, create a much better and healthier environment for everybody. I'd like to also take this opportunity to thank the Carnival, in particular the very energetic chair of the committee, for rejuvenating the Duavata initiative, rejuvenating this Carnival, because if it wasn't through the enthusiasm, the ability to want to work for the community, the dedication, and indeed the inspiration for many others, we would not be here tonight. So let's put our hands together for the Carnival Committee, ladies and gentlemen. It's only because of their effort that they're here. You are here today. Last but not least, I'd also like to mention, as you know, the budget was announced last night. There are a number of initiatives there. We know that there's inflationary pressures, the price of things are rising. We put in place a number of initiatives. Please take advantage of it. Read on the budget. We're here to assist children. If you have children, with various incentives there for you, please read about it and apply for those incentives in the next couple of weeks' time or so. My last remark is for the contestants. I always find it very amazing how these very young people to adults can actually walk up and down the stage and be able to, walk up and down on the catwalk under your eyes. You're scrutinizing them all the time. And they do this only for a very good cause, and that is to raise funds. And it is critically important that we acknowledge them. It's hard work, it's not easy work. I'm sure they've done it for the past couple of weeks. I'm sure their family and friends have come together to assist them, the communities, the tikinas, etc. So please, ladies and gentlemen, my last request to you, please put your hands together for all the contestants who participated, the kings and the queens. Not everybody can win, but they are all winners for all of us because of their efforts. And indeed, we look forward to the announcement this evening. I wish you all a very good evening. Minaka, thank you.
Are you ready, Lambasa? Ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've been waiting for, the crowning of Mr. Digicel Duavata Northern Crime Prevention Carnival 2022. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Digicel Duavata Northern Crime Prevention Carnival 2022 is none other than Mr. Tanwa Electrical, Mr. Olivier Simon Daya. Yes, the winner for Queen's category is Miss Digicel Digicel, Duavata Northern Crime Prevention Carnival 2022 is Miss Hidden Benefit